The City of Lakewood is a Home Rule Municipality, which is the most populous municipality in Jefferson County, Colorado, United States. Lakewood is the fifth most populous city in the state of Colorado, and the 172nd most populous city in the United States. The city population was 142,980 at the 2010 United States Census. Lakewood is west of Denver, and is part of the Denver-Aurora-Lakewood, Metropolitan Statistical Area. The urban/suburban development of the community known as Lakewood was begun in 1889 by Charles Welch and W.H. Loveland, who platted a 13-block area along Colfax Avenue west of Denver in eastern Jefferson County. Loveland, the former president of the Colorado Central Railroad, retired to the new community of Lakewood after many years of living in Golden. Until 1969, the area known as Lakewood had no municipal government, relying instead on several water districts, several fire districts, and the government of Jefferson County. Lakewood was a community with policing provided by the Jefferson County Sheriff, several volunteer-staffed fire districts, and some neighborhoods without street lights and sidewalks. However, the community had already existed for about 80 years. The City of Lakewood was incorporated in 1969 as Jefferson City. Soon after, an election was held, and the city's name was changed to Lakewood. This was due to an overwhelming dislike of Jefferson City, and the perceived notion it would be confused with existing communities in Colorado and Missouri. At the time of incorporation, the city population was already over 90,000. Lakewood never had a traditional downtown area. West Colfax Avenue served the metropolitan area as U.S. Route 40, and the main route joining Denver with the Rocky Mountains. As such, Colfax from Harlan west to Kipling and beyond had mostly commercial establishment. In addition to the Jewish Consumptive Relief Society for TB patients, the small frame Methodist Church, and telephone exchange, there emerged by the 1950s grocery and drug stores, gas stations, restaurants and taverns, several motels, branch banks, a movie theater, roller rink, bowling alley, and used car lots. Several multi-business shopping centers developed, followed by much larger centers at JCRS and Westland. The Villa Italia Mall on West Alameda Avenue, 20 blocks south of Colfax, reflected the southward expansion of Lakewood settlement, and housed a larger concentration of retail space. As the mall went into decline, the Lakewood City Council developed a plan to demolish the Villa Italia Mall and replace it with a new development called Belma. In 2011, Lakewood was named an All-America City for the first time. Lakewood is located at 39A circumflex degrees 42A circumflex superscript 217A circumflex superscript 3 and 105A circumflex degrees 04A circumflex superscript 253A circumflex superscript 3Y right double angle bracket inverted question mark / I umlaut right double angle bracket inverted question mark 39.70472A circumflex degrees and 105.08139A circumflex degrees Y right double angle bracket inverted question mark / 39.70472 minus 105.08139 at an elevation of 5,518 feet. Located at the junction of U.S. Route 6 and Colorado State Highway 121 in central Colorado, the city lies immediately west of Denver and 62 miles north-northwest of Colorado Springs. Lakewood lies in the Colorado Piedmont on the western edge of the Great Plains just east of the Front Range of the Southern Rocky Mountains. Green Mountain, a mesa 6,854 feet tall, is located in the far west central part of the city. The city is located in the watershed of the South Platte River, and several small tributaries of the river flow generally east through it. From north to south, these include Lakewood Gulch, Weir Gulch, Sanderson Gulch, and Bear Creek. Two tributaries of Lakewood Gulch, Dry Gulch and McIntyre Gulch, flow east through the northern part of the city. Turkey Creek, a tributary of Bear Creek, flows northeast through the far southwestern part of the city. In addition, Lena Gulch, a tributary of Clear Creek to the north, flows east then north through the extreme northwestern part of the city. There are several small lakes and reservoirs in Lakewood. The Soda Lakes lie in the extreme southwestern part of the city. East of them lies Bear Creek Lake, a reservoir fed by Bear Creek and Turkey Creek. Clustered near each other in central Lakewood are Main Reservoir, East Reservoir, Smith Reservoir, Kendrick Lake, and Cottonwood Lake. Northeast of them lies Counts Lake. In the northwestern part of the city, Lena Gulch both feeds and drains Maple Grove Reservoir. In the extreme southern part of the city lies Bowles Reservoir No. 1, and, just outside the city limits to the reservoir's northeast, Marston Lake.